Hey, this song right here is not real complicated. You might not even shout off this one, bob your head back and forth or nothing like that, you know, because it's not for everybody. It's just for those who might be going through.
Hi guys, so I have my hot chocolate here, and today's video is going to be a very serious topic, and a very topic that's like real and near and dear to my heart. And I promised you guys that I would do a sit down video kind of like explaining what was kind of going on. Don't mind Maddie's down here. I gave her a chocolate to keep her busy, but I just wanted to kind of like explain to you guys what was kind of going on and what is going on right now. Not in depth, but just to give you guys just, you know, a summary or an overview of what's going on. So I told you guys that our marriage was like on the verge of crumbling, and a couple reasons why our marriage started to basically fall apart is two reasons: communication and lack of one-on-one time with each other. Basically, my husband got a new job, and he went from talking to me every single day to not talking to me at all. Like, he didn't have time, and he would come home, eat, and then go to sleep, and we would go several days without communicating with each other. He was coming home. Hold on. Anyways guys, I'm back. I have Maddie down here, so she's kind of sick and she's not doing well. But anyways, like I was saying, it was lack of communication. We weren't communicating at all whatsoever. There would be days go by where we wouldn't really talk much about anything. It was just we were just getting by, you know, our daily life, you know, the kids, you know, housework, you know, stuff like that. But we weren't really spending time to nurture our marriage. And that kind of led to me turning more towards my phone. Like, my phone would consume me. Like, I wake up and I would pick up my phone and I would have that thing in my hand all day, every day. Like, that became my husband, my best friend. It just consumed me, and by the time I had recognized what was going on, it was just way too late. And I had recognized that my phone was slowly taking over my life, and social media, and, you know, wanting to be, you know, relevant, I guess, in a sense. And I guess that stems from being isolated. You know, it comes from being isolated, because that's the only human being I will have contact with for the whole entire day. Like, and I just got wrapped up in my phone and forgot about my marriage and what's important. And once I realized the problem, I slowly started detaching myself. You know, I slowly, you know, stopped going radon hunting. I was going radon hunting every single day. I stopped doing that. I would check my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I stopped doing that. I kind of pulled back away from doing videos on a regular schedule, trying to maintain, you know, a schedule for YouTube, but not making it a priority, and making my family comes first. And if my husband would say, "Janice, you're on the phone," I would get off the phone and tend to what it is that he needs, or, you know, stuff like that. And I think it kind of put a wedge between us, this phone. it kind of put a wedge between us, and I didn't realize that the phone was becoming a problem. I didn't realize that social media was slowly taking away the one thing I value the most in life, which is my husband. And it almost cost me my marriage, you know. And there's a lot of stuff behind that I'm not willing to share on this platform. And but I am willing to say I'm happy to announce husband and I are working on our marriage. It's 11 years. I'm not willing to throw away 11 years because of, you know, a phone or social media or anything. Right? I'm not willing to do that. I'm gonna fight for my marriage, you know. And it's hard. It's hard when you have, you know, a big family like we do, and it's hard to be a mother and it's hard to be a wife, but at the same time it's worth it to put in the effort and the work, you know, and, you know, not put in my children in front of my husband, because at the end of the day my children are gonna leave and they're gonna grow up and they're gonna move away, and all I'm gonna be left with is this person that I never spent time with or try to get to know on a deeper level. And so we're slowly incorporating different ways that we can spend time together without neglecting our duties to our children or, you know, to whoever. But one of the things that we've been doing is taking at least 5 minutes out of the day to catch up with each other. You know, how you doing? You know, what went on in your day? What exciting things did you do today? You know, and we've been working with this amazing person. She's been such a huge help to me and to my husband, and we've been working with her. Well, I've been working with her. My husband and I recently sat down with her, and she was able to, you know, kind of assist us a bit because she's been married a bit longer. So she was able to assist me a little bit. And I'm the type of person where I tend to want to use people as crutch and have them do the bulk of the work, and then I'm like, oh, okay, I want to do this. But I've been slowly recognizing my weaknesses, and I'm willing to say, okay, this is where I fall short, and this is where I need to strengthen, and this is what I need to do in order to have a successful marriage. And that's exactly what I've been doing. I've been listening to my husband. If he has a complaint, or if he thinks that I've been on my phone way too long, or if social media has slowly trying to, you know, creep its way back in, he'll say, Janice, and I will listen. Because before I was like very, I guess, hostile. I was very defensive. If he said something, I always felt like he was attacking me. Yes? I always felt like he was attacking me, and I wouldn't take criticism very well from him. So I'm slowly realizing that he's not attacking me, and he's not trying to put me down or belittle me or anything like that. It's just he's trying to show me the errors of my ways, or he's just trying to help me to see, you know, because you can become so blinded when something has taken over your life. You know, you become so blinded. And yeah, so communication was one of our issues, and then the other issue was not having time to spend with each other. You know, we have 5 children, and I don't leave my children with no one. I trust no one at all whatsoever with my children. So it's hard for me to say, oh, I'm going on a date night, because that's not gonna happen, because I have 2 little girls. I have 2 little girls, not 1 anymore, but 2 little girls, and I cannot afford for something to happen to them just because I want to go on a date. You know what I mean? And it's kind of hard to spend time with him when I don't trust anyone with my children. And so this individual also gave me ideas on how I can spend time with him while being inside of the home. You know, we could do, you know, a picnic late at night when the kids are in bed, or, you know, just little things while they're asleep. You know, that extra 5 minutes goes a long way. But yeah, so that's what we're working on, and I'm seeing a lot of results. I'm seeing a lot of great results, and we have a lot of exciting news coming our way. I'm so eager to share with you guys, but at the same time I don't want to share too soon and something happens. So I would rather us, you know, be conservative and wait, and in due time you guys will see what we're working on. But it's really exciting, and I am so appreciative that I have this platform where I have people that genuinely care about my family, and you guys take the time out from week to week to watch my videos and show support. And yeah, I got a decent amount of money sitting in an account somewhere because of you guys. So I really appreciate you guys' support. Even though my channel is like a baby, I still really do appreciate you guys, and I want to figure out some way that I could give back in the new year's coming. So anyways, without further ado, that's all I wanted to share. And I'm really excited for this new journey that my husband and I are on. And I just want one more year with this man, one more year, and I promise him that it will be so much better from here on out, going into our future, because it only gets better. It only gets better the longer you've been together with someone. So yeah, I'm excited. I am really excited. So anyways, without further ado, I'm going to end this video right here, and I'm gonna go take care of this little sick baby right here, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.